Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to look at this integral of 2 to the x times x squared dx. So this is an MIT integration B question of 2024 regular session. So let's dive right into this integral. So let's start off by recognizing that 2 to the x can also be written as e to the natural logarithm of 2, like this, all raised to the power x, like this. So 2 to the x is the same as e to the natural logarithm of 2 to the x. So we can replace that in our integral, but we can use the laws of logarithm here. So this one is the same as e to the x, or the natural logarithm of 2. Or we can say e to the natural logarithm of 2 times x, like this. So in place of 2 to the x, I can replace that with this one. So our integral now becomes the integral of 2 to the x squared dx. This is the same as the integral of e to the natural logarithm of 2, all this one times x squared dx. And really here we can use integration by parts here, because this one here is a constant which is multiplied by an x all raised to the power e all raised to the power of that. So when you are using integration by parts, the DI method, I am going to differentiate this part x squared and integrate e to the natural logarithm of 2 times x, like this. So you have your plus and minus, plus, minus. So differentiating x squared is 2x, differentiating this is 2, and this is 0. Integrating this one, we just have to differentiate what is in the power and divide. So differentiating the power is natural logarithm of 2, then we divide 1 over natural logarithm of 2, then we divide that like this. You integrate this one again, that's going to be 1 over natural logarithm of 2 squared e natural logarithm of 2 times x, like this. If you are integrating again, that's going to be 1 over natural logarithm of 2 to the third power e natural logarithm of 2x, like this. So we can really do what we have been doing by multiplying terms diagonally. Once you multiply terms diagonally, you don't need to take the integral. So this will be the value of our integral. So with this one, our integral, which is the integral of 2 to the x squared dx. This one is the same as multiplying terms diagonally, that is x squared, this one multiplied by this, times 1 over natural logarithm of 2 e to the natural logarithm of 2x, like this, minus 2x, times 1 over natural logarithm of 2 all squared, times e to the natural logarithm of 2x, plus 2 times 1 all over natural logarithm of 2 to the third power times e to the natural logarithm of 2x, like this. So this one is the same as 2 to the x. So we can just replace that. So we have x squared times 1 over natural logarithm of 2. 2 to the x minus 2 to the x. 2 times x, 1 all over natural logarithm of 2 squared times 2 to the x plus 2 all over natural logarithm of 2 to the third power times 2 to the x, like this. So in the end, what can we factorize out? We can factorize 2 to the x out. We can also factorize this one out like this. This is the answer they give. And then what we are going to be left with here is x squared natural logarithm of 2 to the second power, like this, minus 2x natural logarithm of 2 plus 2, like this. So this should be the value of our integral, plus c, and this is the integral of 2 to the x times x squared dx. Yeah, so this is the answer to our integral. If you find that helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more engaging content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.